March, and 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And yeah, I will start revision from today. As I said, from the last 5 days, but I do not revise. I learned the new things, but from now onwards, my exam is uh, after 10 days, so I have to revise. And yeah, the game plan is simple, very simple. I will start from digital electronics because it is very hard topic. So I will complete digital electronics today, and module 1 analog electronics. There I have to complete one module, in which one module I have divided it into 4 parts, and one part is completed, almost completed, but I have to work upon it. And after that, let's complete analog electronics today, because as fast as I complete, I will revise. No matter, I will revise it before the exam, but the main thing is I have to study. I have to complete it before time, so that I get much time for revision. So today I will complete half of analog electronics, and tomorrow I will complete module 1. Then module 1 will be completed, module 2 will be completed, module 3 will be completed, and I start revision. And in module 4 there is not too much topic. There is two small topic: analog to digital, digital to analog. So I will complete it. And I am telling you from the last 2 days that start CO, but you are not starting. So I have to start CO revision, because in CO I completed only module 1 and module 2, and in module 1 and module 2 also I do not completed too much of things. Just I saw the videos, make the questions, but I do not write it. I do not see with myself being here. I just saw the videos, not interacted with me. Okay, so from now onwards I have to give time to CO. Understand, CO is not a small topic that you can complete in the 1 day gap. It is the topic you have to do before days. And economics also you have completed, that doesn't matter. You have to make questions, you have to read the book, you have to see the problems that what were coming. So I have to do that too. And DSA I have completed, but I have to revise. Start revising. Take the board, take the marker and revise it. No matter what you are doing, no matter, you have to start revision from now. And maths I have completed, but I have to make questions daily. So give time to maths too. That is my today's goal. Let's see where it can be after completing my today's schedule. So yeah, I have almost 10-11 days from now onwards, but I will complete it before, so that I can revise, I can make questions, I can see the organizers. So yeah, let's talk in midnight after completing today's goal. Hi, it's 8:34 in the morning, and I slept at midnight. What I completed is I make the notes of 2 lecture of C++. I covered the half part of analog electronics, and I completed 2-3 assignments of C++ and nothing more yesterday. I slept yesterday, so I concluded it. That's why I need to make a video today. Let's talk in new video after some time for the next session or the next day. Peace out. I do not study too much yesterday. I have to give my that side too, where I did not study too much, where I slept, where I do not see YouTube videos or Instagram yesterday, but I slept. Yeah, that's all. Peace out.